Legal phraseography start. Under section, read with section, prevention of accused respondent, public sale, food inspector who has been, as per rules, in the presence chief judicial magistrate, chief judicial of the accused, malified, learned counsel of the respondent under proviso, public servant, come in force, come into force, coming into force, act and rules in the light of the under this act, under rule, it is this act, writ petition, civil judge, divisional bench, charge sheet, under suspension, district judge, inquiry report, documentary evidence, inquiry officer, delinquent officer, show cause notice, state court, medical test, we do not, divisional commissioner, Hindu Marriage Act, common order, both the cases herein above subserved from the date of certified copy that he is wide order on the basis co-defendant impugned order, impugned judgment, decree order, setting aside for the reason under order has been taken hereinafter legal fee, it is the case of the Court Arbitration Act, Chief General Manager. There was no, at the rate of both the parties, common law, death sentence, intellectual property, life science, time frame manner, accounts payable, affirmative action, attorney general, attorney fee, board of directors, writ petitioners lays down, it is submitted that as it may at this stage cross examine notice of motion in this regard police station in support of the in the nature of civil writ petition along with the present appeal, insurance company, breadwinner, written statement regarding the per annum has been made to which the per month income tax, sale deed, state government interim order, non-payment on this amount, appointment letter, competent authority, chief secretary, take care, taken care, Government of India, FIR, Criminal Procedure Code, it was not revisional court for the petitioner, for the respondent, nutshell, such order is civil court, civil law, supreme law, high court law, high court order, district court order, supreme court order, first class, subsection, course of action, complaint, case, settled law, full stop.